Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. Today in this video, we are going to understand the inventory workflow in Odoo with a simple business scenario. So let's begin. The very first step is to open the inventory module. So I've already opened the inventory module. The inventory module helps businesses to track product movements, manage warehouse operations, and monitor stock levels in real time. So, first of all, let's move on with the real example. Okay. So, imagine it's a simple business scenario where a company purchases 50 office chairs from a vendor. After receiving them, the company stores them in the warehouse. Later, a customer orders 5 office chairs and the company delivers them. So, this entire process involves three main steps, which is receiving products, storing them in the warehouse, and delivering them to the customer. So, let's see how Odoo is going to handle this workflow. Okay, the very first thing is receiving the products. So, for that, we have to go to the operations. Okay, and then you have to go and click on receipts. So, before that, let's choose a product. Okay, going to the products first, and I'm searching for office chairs. So here we have office chair, and you can see the on hand quantity right now is 0. Okay, let's see after the after this particular step what happens. So click on new and create a new receipt. Okay, now you have to select a vendor, like whom you are going to receive this from. Okay, I am selecting a vendor. Let it be aka poster. Now let's add a product over here. Let the product be, not let the product be, we know what the product is, right? It's office chair. So the demand quantity is going to be not 45, it's 50. Okay, so we have created the receipt with the product office chair on the demand 50. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to click on validate. Okay, the validation is done right now. Okay, so if you go to the moves, you can see where the product has come. The product has come, which is 50 units of the product. Okay, now what you have to go and do is, I'm just marking it as favorite, going to the products. So what basically this means is that the product have officially arrived in the warehouse. So let's search for office chair, and here you can see the on-hand quantity have changed to 50. Let's open it. So here you can see 50 units are there right now. Okay, so we have actually purchased the product from the vendor. So that step is done. And the second step, that is storing the product in the warehouse, that is also done. Now what you have to do, you have to deliver it, right? So before that, once, like you all know, once the receipt is validated, Odoo automatically updates this particular quantity in the warehouse stock. So this means 50 office chairs are now stored in the warehouse inventory. Okay, and like you can verify it from the on hand quantity of the selected product. Whichever product you are selecting, you can verify it from the on hand quantity. So this is going to allow businesses to always know how much stock is available. Now let's move on to the next step, which is delivering the product to the customers. So for that, you have to open the operations under which you can see this deliveries. So open the deliveries, and inside this, you are going to create a new delivery. So click on new and choose the customer. Earlier it was vendor, now it's the customer to whom you are going to give out the products. So I'm choosing the customer over here and adding the product. So it's not any product, it's the product that we bought right now, which is office chairs. You can see the status that is available. Now the demand quantity is 5. So I'm entering it as 5. And once the product are prepared for shipment, what you have to do is you have to mark it as or click it as validate. So a confirmation SMS will be sent. Okay, everything is done. Now if you go to the moves, you can see the moves. It was picked from this particular warehouse and then the quantity is taken. Now let's go on and check the product. Okay, if you go to the products, here, you are going to search for office. So here the on-hand quantity have changed to what? 45. Because out of 55 was taken and given away to the customer. So the remaining is 45. So it works like that. It automatically updates everything. Okay. So this confirms that the product has been delivered to the customer. And then you can see the stock update after the delivery over here. So after delivery is validated, Odoo is automatically updating the stock. Like originally we had 50, and after delivering 5 chairs, the remaining stock has become 45 chairs. So this real-time stock tracking helps businesses avoid stock shortages and manage inventory efficiently. So that's the basic inventory workflow in Odoo: receiving products from vendors, storing them in the warehouse, and delivering them to the customers. So this workflow helps businesses maintain accurate stock levels and manage warehouse operations efficiently. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.